Good morning, my dear students. Now I will start class 1 maths from chapter 8 measurement from page number 123. Measurement. Here is some instrument to measure the length. Hand span. That means this one is called hand span, like this. Here to there, okay, hand span. And foot span, this one is called the foot span. You should follow these things very carefully. Cubit, that means here to here it will be 1 cubit or cubit. Pace, one step it will be goes as, and general step it will be goes as pace. Measuring tape, this one is measuring tape. By this measuring tape we can measure the things. We can measure the length of these things, accuracy. Ruler also there. So by this ruler we can measure the things with centimeter unit. Here is some questions. Compare the length of your pencil with your friend's pencil. Suppose it is mine, another pencil. Suppose it is in another pencil. Which one is longer? Obviously this pencil is longer. So compare the length. We should compare it with the ruler. Okay, we should use the ruler. On that time we should measure these things. Okay, at first I will keep these things, then I will measure with the ruler. Here is the ruler. Centimeter count here. 0, 1, 2, start from 0. That means the starting part will keep into the 0 scale. And here is 15. If it is more than 15, on that time we should mark where is 15, here. Then after 15 it will be 1.2 centimeter. So it will be goes as 15 plus 1.2. 15 plus 1 it will be 16.2 or 3. 16.4 most probably it is. Okay, so it will be 16.4 centimeter. Then I will measure these things. Obviously we should keep it in 0 scale. And here is 13.9. It will be 13.9. Okay, sorry, it will be 13.5. okay, like this you should measure at first. After that I will go the next page. Object and estimate and measurement. Measurement, you should measurement by the ruler, and estimate, that means you should use hand span, 1 hand span. Okay, and write here the appropriate measurement of pencil or these things. It is about how many hand span needed or how many centimeter will be goes. Then the length of my bed is how many cubit? Which one is cubit? This one is cubit. At first you will go to near of your bed and measure it by your cubit. By your cubit you should measure these things. Then my desk is how many hand span long? Hand spans. That means you should measure the length of your desk by hand span using. Okay, and the length of my water bottle, length of the water bottle is in hand span long. That means you should measure by your hand span. Then measure the length of your tiffin box, school bag using the crayons. How many crayons is in there? You should measure by crayons. The school bag is longer or shorter than tiffin box. Obviously school bag is longer than tiffin box. Here is measurement 2 centimeter. Shuttlecock, here is, we should write here 2 centimeter, and 4 centimeter here. Measuring by the scale, it will be 4 centimeter, and also it will be 10 centimeter, so we should write here 10 centimeter. Scissor, your scissor is how many length? What is the length of your scissor? Of this, and also this scissor is 6 centimeter, so scissor will be goes as 6 centimeter. The short form of centimeter, it will be goes as cm. So measuring weight, which one is lighter or which one is heavier things? Obviously this one is heavier things, so if it is heavier object, on that time we should tick here. If it is lighter object, on that time we should cross here. Okay, next, notebook is lighter or heavier than the lunch box? Yes, it is. Notebook is heavier than your lunch box. Like these things. The weight of the doll is the same as mobile phones because it is the same in weight. If it is more, on that time it will be goes down. If it is less, on that time it will be goes up. Okay, these are, and also take the more or less juice. Which one is more? This one is more, so we should tick here. This one is less, so here is cross. Here we put the cross sign. One bucket can fill 9 glasses. One bucket can be filled with the 9 glasses, and here also one jug can fill with the 4 glasses. So the capacity of a bucket is more or less than jug. Yes, obviously it will be capacity of a bucket, it will be 10 glasses, and capacity of a jug, it will be 4 glasses. So obviously bucket capacity, it will be more, so we should write here more. These are the same things. Next, the capacity of milk can is more or less than a liter. If it will be more than 1 liter, it will be right here more. Capacity of the vessel is more or less than a liter. Obviously it should be more than liter, so we should write here more. This one also like this. These are all about the measurement chapters. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you for watching.